we got something new for y'all today. Safety first, 357 Taurus. Listen to my mans. It's the Taurus 627 tracker. Always bring it. My zodiac sign is a Taurus 423 all day. For all my Taurians, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and crack it open. So, this is a 357 revolver. As you can see, protective cover for the rear sight. Iron sights, look real good. This takes 357 and 38 special. I do have 38 special self-defense rounds, but I do need 357 ammo self-defense. So if you find that, leave something in the comments letting me know where you found it at. All right, so what this does come with is a nice little rubber grip. The iron sights is dope as hell. Only one thing I do not like about it when I took this shooting is it gets dirty as hell, fast as hell. But I saw a video of somebody cleaning it, and they polished this boy so good that it was like chrome, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be looking at doing that pretty soon. It also comes with 2 locks, because if you look close at the back, you can actually twist this with the lock. When you twist that with the lock, you can't pull the trigger. See how it gets caught? Very good for safety involving the kids, you know. So I released the lock just now. And I would advise not to dry fire this because you will mess it up. So what I have here is dummy rounds where you can dry fire all day. So you can get 6 of them for like $20 on Amazon. So I bought 2 packs of those. Now that the lock is gone.
And that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be